Welcome to my channel, Simplify Concepts. In this video, we'll be learning how to apply and use conditional formatting for different data purposes.
Here we have a data set on which we are going to apply conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is available in MS Excel in this Home tab, and here you can see conditional formatting. In conditional formatting, we have various options: highlight cells rules, top bottom rules, data bars, color scales, icon sets, then new rule, clear rules, manage rules, and today we are going to use all of them in this video. So let's start with this highlight cell rules, and before that let us select some data to apply this conditional formatting. So we have selected this, we'll go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and we have various options: greater than, less than, between, equal to, and so on. So let us just select this greater than. So let me specify this value as 40. It means that all the values which are greater than 40 will be highlighted with light red fill with dark red text. And suppose I don't want this color combination, so I can specify my own color format in the custom format. So we can select any color. Let us select yellow and then OK. See, all the values which were more than 40 are being highlighted in yellow. Now we can remove this color formatting or this conditional formatting from here. We'll go to clear rules and we'll select clear rules from selected cells. See, this formatting has been removed. Now let's apply another one, top bottom rules. Now we can specify top 10% items or bottom 10% items, top 10 items or bottom 10 items we can specify. So let us take this top 10% here. It is not necessary that we can specify only 10%. We can take 20%, 30%, 40%, whatever we want to. So for now, let it be 10%. And then we'll go to the custom format again. We'll specify our own color and then OK. See, so it has highlighted the top 10% item. So from all these values, the topmost value, the highest value was 95. So it arranges the data in ascending or descending order, and then it picks up the highest value. Now again, we shall remove this conditional formatting from here. Now we have here clear rules from entire sheet also. Suppose you have applied many rules in the sheet and you want to clear all of them at once, then you can apply this clear rules from entire sheet. And for now, we'll keep it this only. Again, let's go to data bars now. Now in data bars, we have two options: gradient fill or solid fill. So it is just to make it visually appealing. You can select gradient fill or solid fill. So for now, let's select this one. Now, you can see that the length of these data bars, it is directly proportional to the values which are written here. So just by looking at these data bars, you can specify that which value is higher and which value is less. So to make the data more appealing or more understandable, you can use this option. Now let's remove this. Go to clear rules and then this one. Let's apply color scales now. Now we can have a single color scale or a 2 color scale or a 3 color scale. Now what is the utility of this color scale? So let's use this 3 color scale here. I've just clicked onto this. Now in this 3 color scale, you can see that it is moving from green, yellow, and then red. So the green value is the highest value, and then it becomes lighter, and yellow values represent the average values or the medium values, and this red color, it represents the lower values, the lowest values. So this option basically, it divides the data into 3 sections: green, yellow, and red. So just by looking at the color, you can specify that this value comes in the higher range or the lower range or medium range. So we'll just again select it and then clear rules. Let's apply another one now. Icon sets. Now icon sets is another way to represent the data, as you can see here. So again, we have these 3 color options for it also divides the data into 3 sections. So for now, let's use this one. See, so a tick mark, it represents that the data falls in the high range. Then this yellow marks specify that it falls in the medium range, and these cross marks, red cross marks, they specify that the data is in low range. So we can specify any of these icon sets, we can select from here. And for now, let us clear rules. Okay. Now suppose whatever rules are already given here, we don't want to apply any of these rules and we want to specify our own rule. So we can click here, new rule, and suppose we want to apply any formula, specify our own formula. So we can go to use a formula to determine which cells to format. So we'll just click on this, and here we can write down the formula. So whatever formula we use here, so whichever cells will satisfy this formula, those will be formatted accordingly. So suppose I just select this value, this cell, and if this value is greater than, say, 50, now see, I want this formula to be applicable in this particular column. You can see here the dollar signs. Dollar sign means that it makes it fixed. So I want this C column to be fixed. So $C, that means I want to apply this formula in this column. It's okay. Then $3. So $3 means that this formula will be applied only in this third row, only in this third row. But I want this formula to be applicable in all these rows. So therefore, what I'll do is that I'll remove this dollar sign from here so that it will be applicable in all the rows given. Now, how do I want it to be formatted? So we'll just go to format. Suppose I want this blue color to be displayed, just OK. And see, whatever values are more than 40, they are being highlighted in blue. Now suppose I want that not only these values should be highlighted in blue, but I want that this full row should be highlighted in blue. Now, what should we do in this case? So we'll just again, we'll select from here to here because we want to highlight the full row. So we'll select this data, we'll go to conditional formatting, and now we will go to manage rules because we are going to change the rule which we have written before. See, this formatting applies to this what is written here. So what I'll do is I'll just erase it, and I want it to be applicable from this cell which is A3, and I want to apply it till here which is E11. So I'll just type here A3 and a colon sign and then E11. Now, OK. See, so now based on the selections of this particular column, the rows, particular full rows has been highlighted. So this is how you can use conditional formatting. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.